There is nothing more stressful than being sleepy and not being able to fall asleep. Forget about counting sheep because we are going to explain the most popular technique to you right now. The 4-7-8 method. On the internet there are many tricks to fall asleep quickly, but there is one that stands out. It's called the 4-7-8 technique. And it's a super simple exercise that has been spread by Dr. Andrew Weil, a specialist in holistic and integrative medicine and the author of several personal growth bestsellers. Although the initial theory is that the combination of seconds allows you to receive more oxygen than normal and that makes you relax, what we can be sure of is that when we breathe deeply and calmly, our whole body relaxes and we begin to disconnect. Step 1. Close your eyes. Place the tip of your tongue on top of the inside of your upper teeth. Leave it there all the time. Step 2. Exhale through your mouth, like making a buzzing sound. Step 3. Then close your mouth, breathe slowly through your nose and count to 4. Step 4. Hold your breath for a count of 7. Step 5. Now, breathe out for a count of 8 and make the buzzing sound again. Step 6. Repeat the same process 3 times. Try to do this when you go to sleep and tell us how it worked for you in the comments. Remember to subscribe so you don't miss any of our videos.